So yeah, the weather's not good, but we can what? They're not here. Oh. Yeah, I know, they're cool, eh? They are so cool.
Mum had one of those little clock with the elephant.
Oh. You see these places, these people under here.
Like the mirrors? Clint Eastwood and what's his name?
That's Cary Grant, isn't it? And
who did I say?
Clint Eastwood. It's not Clint Eastwood.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
See, that's the problem.
$10.
I'm going to give you your phone
I think it's a good idea.
because you'll just. Oh, for fuck's sake. Yeah, no, here.
How cool is that?
No, it's not.
Why?
No. It's not worth $150. Nowhere near. No, not worth 150. Just put your phone in your pocket, baby, because you're going to lose it.
Oh, there you go. Cheers.
What's that table we saw the other day, wasn't it?
What's that? Yeah, they were there. Yeah, they were all there the other day. But we'll probably see your elephants around here somewhere.
I got a really good spot today. So, yeah, that's okay. It's always good to get that. Oh.
Don't know, dude. Not sure. Don't know. Some old stuff.
The old telephone.
The old Indian headpiece.
Oh, that's cool.
You've got to have a mannequin to put him on though. $75. 75. That's all right. We'll have a look on the outskirts and then we go in the guts in a minute. It's just so cool. There's so much stuff.
Oh, do you? Okay.
So I'm not going to get nothing until we have a good look round.